Looking for a versatile detailing product that has multiple uses? Then this is the video for you. Stay tuned.
For my garage, yeah, we flood that shine. Rims all gloss when I hit that line. Drip too clean, yeah, the squad don't miss. Pull up fresh, that's clean car Chris.
Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Clean Car Chris, all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Before we start the video, I want you guys to pull out your phones, download the Meet the Detailers app on the Apple Store or in the Google Play Store. Join the community, guys. It's a vibe. All right, today we're bringing out the Fury Superior Products Dark Fury. Awesome product. I did a video using this product to clean the wheels. Awesome wheel cleaner, guys, right? The video is doing very well. But today, I'm going to show you how you can also, check it out, use it to remove bugs. Nobody likes these pesky bugs, right? Here in Florida, it's love bug season, so oh man, bugs are a nightmare at the moment. Also, you can use the product as a nice pre-soak or pre-wash. You can look on this vehicle here, especially on the lower panels. It's pretty dirty, so you want to kind of pre-treat that before the contact wash. I love products that have multiple uses, right? You can use one product and accomplish different tasks with them. I'm just trying to tell you guys the truth, right? You don't really need one product for one designated purpose in the detailing world. All right, guys, check this wheel out. It's pretty dirty. It's been neglected for some time. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull my camera out, take a quick before shot of it. Bam. And when I'm done, I'm going to take an after shot. And what I can do is go to the showcase section of the Meet the Detailers app and post my work there. All right, guys. Awesome thing about this is so versatile. You can actually clean the tires and the rim itself. All right. Just want to make sure all the chemicals are activated and stuff. Just give it a little stir. And here we go. All right, you made that dwell for a bit. Remember, it's very important to use this product properly diluted and always on a cool wheel or cool panels, cool to the touch. You don't want to use this product on a hot surface, right? That way you can run into problems because if the panels are hot or the wheels are hot, this product can stain the panels or on the wheel or the wheels itself. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you use it on a cool surface, always. So real quick, I think you guys know now from my last video, I like to clean the face first of the wheels before I do the barrels. It's a quick demo for you guys. You know, I like to give you guys as much tips and tricks as I possibly can. And like I said before, using one product for multiple uses is definitely a plus in my book. That way you're not, you know, having to spend so much money on all different type of chemicals when you really don't have to. Already, if you look down there, you can see, you know, some of the Dark Fury stripping off some of the grime and stuff off the wheel. Super potent product. And like I said, remember to always use it diluted properly. Wheels, I like it 5-to-1. Some people I know use it 4-to-1. You know, just dilute it to your preference, right? Pretty much. I'm going to hit the tires again because the tires are pretty bad. All right, and let's agitate. Yeah, man. Rinse out your brushes. Let's give this wheel a thorough rinse. All right, so that's the primary use that most people I know use this product for, is to clean wheels. But it's also good, like I mentioned earlier, to clean up these pesky bugs. Same dilution, guys, about 5-to-1. I'm just going to give it a light mist. And go ahead and spray pretty liberally from bottom to top. All right. Just let that dwell for a bit. Let the chemical do its thing. And yeah, man, real quick, while this is dwelling, I just want to big up everybody out there who has actually joined the fam. We're pushing 100+ members now. So thank you to everybody who joined the fam. Respect every time. Yeah, man, we're going to do a lot of cool interactive stuff. So you guys better stay tuned. As the weeks go by, I'll keep everybody informed on what's going on. All right, you always want to keep your eye on this, guys. Remember, don't use it on hot panels. We're in the shade right now, so we're all good. You just want to keep an eye on it. I would say, you know, I don't know. It's hard to give you an exact time. With experience, you just kind of know how to feel it out. If you look closely, you can actually see the bug guts actually kind of dissolving in a sense. So I'm sure the pressure from the water will blow all of these off. I hope the camera can pick up. I would say 95% of the bug splatter is gone. I might have to go in there and do a little agitation in certain spots, but you get the drift, guys. All right, the third way I like to use this product is as a pre-soak or pre-wash. Kind of goes hand in hand with what we just did. You know, if I wasn't doing this demo right now, I'd have probably just spray down the whole vehicle and everything soak and then just rinse down everything at the same time. But in any event, the bugs are taken care of now, so let me show you how you can use it as a pre-wash. Typically, I like to dilute it around anywhere from 8 to 10 to 1 as a pre-soak. However, in this instance, I have it 5 to 1 here. I'm familiar with the product, so I'm going to use it at the same dilution. Pre-treat only the areas that you need to treat. You don't need to spray down the entire vehicle if the entire vehicle doesn't need it. Typically on vehicles, especially in this instance, the lower panels need to be pre-treated. The entire vehicle doesn't. So as a quick demo, let me just show you what I go on. It's a light mist. And then you use your same dark fury now. Quick tip, you can also put these in one of those gallon or 2 gallon HDX sprayers, which I usually have it in. It works awesome in that canister as well. In there, I usually dilute it, say, like I said earlier, 8 to 1 or 10 to 1. But in this instance, we're just using it here, 5 to 1. And you let that soak, give it some dwell time, use your common sense, even though common sense is not so common anymore, right? That's what detailing is, guys, a lot of common sense, right? I think a lot of channels and a lot of information out there is just pretty much just too complicated or just making it seem more than what it really is. You know what I mean? It's not rocket science, guys. Just read instructions of your products. And I would say most detailing products, like I said earlier, you use them on a cool surface and you should be fine at the proper dilution. Here you can see the dark fury still dwelling. You can see the brown coming down, right? If you leave it too long and if it dries up, especially on a hot panel, it will kind of look like this. It will leave that staining. So just be cautious of that, be aware, and you know what I mean, just do everything to not make that happen, right? So anyhow, let's proceed with the rinse. All right, so we've cleaned the wheels, we've cleaned off the bugs, and we've used Dark Fury as a pre-treatment on these panels here. So pretty much the vehicle is ready to be foamed down and perform a contact wash, right? You will have a pretty safe contact wash with the bugs gone and the vehicle pre-treated, right? So you already know, guys, just a quick one for you, quick demo. It's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, download the Meet the Detailers app. Join the family, my people. It's the vibe. All right, guys, I'm going to take an after shot of this clean wheel, and so I can post it in the Meet the Detailers app in the showcase section.